Welcome back to Mr. Cullen's Virtual Classroom here at Turner Elementary School. Today, lesson 18, we're going to do a quick review over where the lines cross, a little bit of an array action that we're looking at, and then next week we'll do a few show what you knows, combining the tiles lessons with the stars and circles lessons as well. So we're going to combine them all for a quiz next week, but just want to review this one more time, and then I'll lay out the work for this lesson, okay? So you're gonna do two things, and if you look right here, you'll see we have our original multiplication equation, and then we're assuming that you could flip it, and now it changes, the factors actually flip order. The product stays the same, but it flips order. I'll go over that really quickly. So let's say they have 5 vertical lines going down, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about we try to make those the same, Mr. Cullen? And then 3 going across. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then the same thing, we're just going to flip it sideways. So it's the same number of rows and, the same number of vertical lines and horizontal lines. So I'm circling where they cross. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the equation you would write for here, for this one, is 3 rows times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. 3 times 5 is 15. But here, we know it's the same, but the factors are going to flip. So what we're going to do here is circle where they cross. And now how many rows do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to record 5 is one of my factors. And then 1, 2, and 3. There are 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 in each row. So 5 times 3 is 15. You can see that 15 is the same, but the factors switched order. So that's the thing about multiplication, is you can switch the factors, but the same order. So here is the work that needs to be done today, okay, for this lesson. So let me zoom. This is 1, 2, and 3, and feel free to pause the video so you can see. And I'll tell you, this is 4 rows with 4 columns. This is 5 rows with 3 columns. This is 6 rows with 4 columns. And then up here, it's 2 rows with 1 column, and then it's 5 rows with 6 columns, and then 5 rows with 4 columns. So just pause those. What I would like you to do is redraw these 6, kind of like you did last week. Circle those, but I need 2 equations. I need the 2 equations for each one of those. All right? Looking forward to seeing you all again.